Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. If you missed last week's video, you'll definitely want to check it out. We dove deep into that annoying musty smell coming from your car's AC, and most importantly, how we can help you eliminate that odor at its source. Go give it a watch after this. Today, we're tackling another important question that impacts every car owner. You hear it all the time: get your oil changed. But why is this simple task the absolute backbone of your car's preventative maintenance? Let's get straight to it.
So what does my engine oil actually do? I just know it keeps the car running.
Great question. It does a lot more than you think. Your engine oil has four main jobs. First, lubrication. It creates a thin layer between moving metal parts, preventing them from grinding. Second, it helps with cooling, carrying heat away from the engine. Third, it cleans, picking up dirt and sludge. And fourth, it provides corrosion prevention for vital components.
What happens if I ignore it and my oil gets old and dirty?
That's where problems start. Over time, engine oil breaks down, losing its ability to lubricate and cool effectively. It becomes saturated with contaminants, turning into harmful sludge. This can lead to increased friction, premature engine wear, overheating, and eventually engine repair or even engine failure. Fresh oil is crucial for protecting your investment.
So how often should I actually get my oil changed?
That's the most common question. It's not one size fits all. It depends on your vehicle's year, make, and model, the type of oil you use, conventional, synthetic blend, or full synthetic oil, and your driving habits. Some modern cars with synthetic oil might go 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Older cars or conventional oil often need it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. We typically recommend 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but always check your owner's manual for your specific manufacturer recommendation. That's your best guide.
What kind of oil should I use for my car?
Your owner's manual will specify the correct viscosity, like 5W30. We often recommend full synthetic oil for its superior protection, especially in extreme temperatures, and it usually allows for those longer oil change intervals. It's a smart investment for your engine's longevity and performance.
Can I just top off my oil if it's low instead of a full change?
Topping off is good if your level is low between changes, but it's not a substitute for a full oil change. Old oil is contaminated and degraded. Simply adding new oil won't remove the harmful sludge and particles already circulating in your engine. A full change is essential to remove those contaminants.
Why should I choose a professional like Myles to do my oil change? Can't I just do it myself?
While a DIY oil change is possible, bringing your vehicle to a professional like Myles Auto Care and Transmission offers peace of mind. We ensure the correct oil type and filter are used, properly dispose of old oil, and perform a quick inspection for other potential issues like leaks or fluid levels. It's part of a comprehensive expert car service experience. So as you can see, ignoring your oil change schedule can lead to serious consequences. Regular oil changes are a small investment that pays off huge by preventing costly breakdowns and extending your vehicle's life. Keep your car healthy with reliable and essential preventative maintenance. Ready for your next oil change or need expert auto repair? Visit us at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. We have 4 convenient Berks County, PA locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing. Keep your engine clean, cool, and protected. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you.